Check out this is 2012 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck grade. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, privacy glass, rear defrost, sliding rear window, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input and split bench seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.